Liquid Analytics, where mobility meets big data. You can set appointments based upon goals. Typically, a sales rep randomly visits accounts or visits accounts based upon some artificial schedule. What you really want to do is visit the accounts because you have to achieve goals. Goals that will help you reach your commission targets. We have many different types of goals within Liquid Decisions. Goals are hierarchically managed in Liquid Decisions. They can start right at the top, and they can be rippled down all the way down to the sales rep. Goals can be spread based upon sales history information. We can have goals that are automatically measured by Liquid Decisions because they're some sort of a quantity goal, such as you have to reach this revenue target, or you have to sell so many cases of this particular whiskey. If you achieve those goals, we know you have achieved those goals because we have full order management built into Liquid Decisions. But there are also marketing goals. Marketing goals are goals that you would achieve by visiting the account. For example, a placement goal, a promotional goal, a sampling goal. You really can't tell if that goal is achieved unless you walk the store and you take a picture tagged to the GPS location to prove that you've taken that goal. Finally, you have management goals and personal goals. Let's just show you and jump into the application and show you some really simple ways of how you can set appointments with goals. So what I'm going to do is go to the CRM view, and I'm looking at immediately the default view is goals. You can see there's a series of goals for this particular wine and spirits rep. He's got a cold box goal, a display goal, meaning that he has to place some displays at the account. We have distribution goals. A distribution goal is that I have to introduce a new product at a certain set of accounts. You may have your own terminology for distribution, placement, or incentive goals. Let's find a distribution goal. Here's one that says Cinerator Hot Cinnamon Whiskey. It's an activity goal. I noticed I've achieved 67% of this goal, which means out of a target of 9 accounts of introducing this product, I have introduced them into 6 accounts over the period of this goal. All I need is 3 more accounts and I've hit 100% of my target. Now the total targeted accounts that I have here are 38. So I only need to find 3 more accounts out of these 38. So let's scroll down here. As you can see, I have a lot of options. Oh, looks like I achieved one of the 6 right here at Richburn. Another one is All Saints Liquor, Star Liquor. So you can see all of this thing will add up to 6 accounts. I'm just going to go to the top and just go to Route 1 Liquor. And now I see an incredible amount of information. For example, I can see all the goals, including the Cinerator Hot Whiskey activity goal. I see a whole series of distribution goals. I see a cold box goal. So if I'm going to go to this account to achieve one goal, I might as well go to this account to achieve as many of these other goals as well. Let's try to create an appointment for this goal. Notice how it brought in the Cinerator Hot Cinnamon Whiskey goal, as well as the account. I can add more goals if I want. I'm just going to give this goal a title, since I know they're building a new back bar, so let me introduce my whiskey to the new back bar. And I'm going to go here. Oh, no problem. Let's just actually call that back bar. And this is by the pool. Now, I don't have to fill in all this information. The more information, the better. It keeps the rest of my team aware of what I'm doing. But the real reason you want to fill in as much of this information as possible. Maybe when you go there, Maybe this is in the middle of the hotel. Maybe you don't have a very good signal. By placing your appointment and arriving at that account, what we can do is pre-synchronize locally to the device the data that you need to successfully achieve this goal. I may need some rich media such as a video or a sell sheet or a one sheet to drive home why Cinerator Hot Cinnamon Whiskey makes sense to Route 1 Liquors. Let me add this appointment. So I have this appointment. If I go back to the Launchpad, you will see that I have now added an appointment in here. The system is aware of your appointment so that we can synchronize data just in time. Everything that you need is local to your device. This is how you set appointments based upon goals. As a goal-oriented sales rep who's setting appointments based upon goals, you have a better chance of meeting your commission plan.